YouTube channel. It has been so long since last time you guys have seen me, but I promise I'm trying to get back into the process and get back into the swing of things. Just a lot has been going on, but this week I have filmed 2 videos so far, not including this one. Hopefully this one can go up before the others, but we'll work it out. But anyways, for today's video, I'm going to bring you guys along with me as I prepare for the Sabbath. It is currently 6:30 a.m. I already got dressed for the day, took my shower, the whole 9, so I'm feeling good. I'm exhausted, but certain things have to get done. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. The house is a mess. Only thing that's not dirty, which is amazing, is the dishes. We have 0 dirty dishes, but it's just the rest of the house that needs to get, everything's just out of order right now. So we're going to move over to my kitchen table and I'm gonna grab my laptop and we're gonna get to typing up a little to-do list because this is not the vibe. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video and let's get into this list because the list goes on and on. So many other things that I want to do that are kind of extras. So hopefully, since the house it's still pretty dirty, but since I don't have to do dishes and do like a deep clean today, hopefully I can have time for the things that I actually would like to do, which is like doing my nails and stuff, my nails and my toes, because I do want to wear sandals. It's hot outside, very hot. And speaking of hot weather, there's a video coming out that kind of ties and goes hand in hand. Okay, so this is gonna become like a vlog style. It's gonna be kind of hectic because I'm trying to get everything done within a certain amount of time. It is now 6:32. I've been talking for 2 minutes, so we're gonna wrap this intro up. It's very long. Since I'm stalling so hard right now, we're gonna go and do what I said. We're gonna go over to my kitchen table, get my laptop, and we're gonna start typing. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so I've moved over to my kitchen table. I have my laptop right here, and I'm just going to start putting together kind of like the outline of my to-do list because there's 3 different topics that I want to get into. So I'm gonna create that first and then I'll get back to y'all so y'all can see kind of the different subcategories that I have for my to-do list. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing this video, so I just want to pop in to show you guys what you guys are going to see. I'm editing this video weeks later after the fact. But as you can see here, I'm just typing up 3 subcategories. First one is spiritual, the second one is home, and the last one is, I believe, extras. I just broke it down into 3 subcategories just to keep everything organized and to make it a little bit easier, so that I can organize it a little better and be able to get a full layout of the different things that I need to cover within that certain amount of time. So yeah, it's just editing, me popping in. I'm laying down. I'm so tired. It looks really dark in here. It's still light outside, but yeah, so I'm just laying down editing this video, and I just wanted to pop in and say hello. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Okay guys, so you just see me put together my Sabbath prep checklist. It is a very long list. So yesterday my mom and I went to the store and I wanted to show you guys a little haul of the stuff that we got. Now, do not try to talk stuff. I am very cheap. I love the 99-cent store. I used to love Dollar Tree, but now it's $1.25 for everything. But anyways, 99-cent store is my favorite store of all time. You can say what you want. I don't care what you got to say about it. That is my favorite store. So I'm going to show you guys what we got from the 99-cent store. Okay, so this is everything. Actually, hold on one second. Move my laptop out the way. Okay, so starting with the first bag from the 99-cent store, my mom got us some notebooks for class. This one is mine. It just says Hope on it, and this is what the pages look like. Says Hope on the bottom as well. I love this notebook because, for one, it has a lot of different pages, and 2, it folds back, so it makes it a lot more convenient when you have this and your Bible on your lap and you're also trying to eat your lunch. It's just a lot going on, so this is really convenient. So this one is mine. It's like a jean material look to it. Doesn't feel like jean, but the texture is on the word Hope. And then this is my mom's notebook. And both of these are priced at $3.99, which is a really good deal because these are really good notebooks. I've seen less pages for a lot more. My mom says each day is a fresh start. It has lemons all over it, and it's really soft, it's really smooth. And then on her pages, hold on y'all. On her pages, it just has little lemons. And once again, it folds back, so it just makes things a lot easier for us. So yeah, those are the first items that we got from the 99 store. So these are the 2 notebooks. And then this is the final bag right here. So starting off, we have some 24 pack of dishcloths, and these were priced at $3.99 as well. 24 towels for $3.99. You can't tell me that's not a good deal. Like, these are the perfect kitchen towels. My mom wanted to get these to dry off dishes and keep everything separate, because, you know, we let our dishes just dry and then we put them away, and it takes like a day or so or a couple hours or whatever. But to get straight to the point, we can now dry off our towels and then proceed to, dry off our dishes and then proceed to put them away. But yeah, we got some towels. We got a big old thing of paper towels. And y'all, when I tell you I live by the Healthy and Beautiful Skin Relax, have y'all tried this, what is this called? Exfoliating washcloth. I've seen many hygiene videos where they're like, oh, you should try the African net washcloth. And I feel like, just based on looking at the video, I feel like this is the kind of texture it gives. I have one, but it's really old and it's really raggedy, so I finally got a new one thanks to my mom. She bought me a new one, and it's just that perfect texture that will leave. Like, do y'all see my skin? It would look a lot better with the new one, but I haven't used it because I've been wanting to show y'all this one, so I just used my old one. But yeah, so this, sorry, it's backwards on the video, I think. Yeah, it's backwards, but it just says Relax on it, and this is a really good brand. I highly recommend if you have a 99-cent store near you. Go get you one of these, and it's not sponsored. I'm putting y'all on. Go get one of these. Next, we have some abrasive sponge scrubbers. Comes with 5 of them. I'm not sure as to how much this was, but hold on, let me look at the receipt. Washcloth was 99 cents. These were $1.49, and these towels were $3.99, like I mentioned. And then the sponges were 99 cents. 5 sponges for 99 cents. Sign me up. The last thing we got was just, I needed some more deodorant. So this is the Dove in the scent Fresh. I love Dove deodorant. I live by it. I stand by it. I will forever use Dove brand. The Dove brand. Or men's deodorant. That smells really good. And man, that 72 hour Cool Rush, that's another one by Degree. That's my second favorite. But Dove is always a close runner-up. Always. So this is just what it looks like. It smells so good. Why am I lying? Child, my allergies are bad. I can't smell it. But I know it smells good. My mom said it smells good. So if my mom said it smells good, it smells good. Okay? Okay. The last store that we went to was Walgreens. Honestly, we just went in there for one purpose and one purpose only. Do y'all see this bar? This big old bar hanging off the side of my ear? Y'all, I pierced that myself, right? Stop. Give me my cookies, okay? Because I did that. It hurt. It was like a 14 out of 10. If it ever fell out for any reason or closed up, I would never re-pierce it. You could not pay me enough to re-pierce it. That's how bad it hurt. But I wanted it and I got it. So I needed some more saline spray. This stuff right here. I'm going to see if I have some pictures. I don't know if I do, but if I do, I'll insert them. But if I don't, I'm really sorry. But I used to get bumps on the back of my ear and then on the front part right here, and it used to be so painful, and on my ear looks so nasty. Like, it looks like I just got bumps on my ear. Like, I do not roll that way. But this right here is going to get you right. This was $9.49, I believe, at Walgreens. This is just the saline wound wash with sodium chloride, first aid cleanser, drug free. A pressurized saline spray flushes and cleanses scrapes and cuts, helps remove dirt and debris from wounds, gentle formula and sterile. And it sprays at any angle. Since when it sprays out like a lot, and I don't need that much, so normally I'll take the cap off, spray some into the cap, use a Q-tip, go in and clean. I use 4 different Q-tips for the 2 insides and the 2 outsides. I use both sides, front and back, to clean it, just to make sure it's very sanitary, because after I did my box braids, my bonnet was weighing down on my ear, and it just caused it hurts just touching it. So I needed to get some more of this to clean it, just in case any grease or any hair gel got in there and just got it looking all yucky. So I definitely need to I needed some of this. But yeah, so that is the haul, all the products. that we got a lot for a really good price, a really good price. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna check this off my little to-do list because we did it. Check. We got that part done at least. Okay, y'all. So next thing on the agenda is we are going to go get some last minute groceries for our dinner that we're having tonight, and we're about to get in the car. So we're about to go to Fry's to get some last minute things that we need to get the our dinner started and stuff, because it is still early. It's barely 7:07. So once I get back, I'll show y'all what we got and the plan for tonight's dinner and all of that. I'm gonna run into the store, show y'all around the store a little bit, but I ain't going too crazy because, you know, I don't be recording in public like that. But we're gonna try today. And yeah, so we gotta get some last minute groceries, and then we're gonna check off those things in my to-do list. So I'll see y'all when we get to Fry's. Okay, so sorry, excuse me. Yeah, so I'm in Fry's right now looking at some products. So I'm looking for some baked beans and I can't find them, so I'm gonna turn it all around. Okay guys, so we just left Fry's. We got all the items that we needed, and we also got some cake. The rest of the groceries that we need for tonight's dinner. Then once I get back, it's cleaning, laundry, and give me some water because I'm thirsty. And then we'll move on to prepping the food for later on tonight. So that is the plan, guys. I'll see you guys back at the house. I know some of the footage that I got from Fry's was not that good, but I don't be recording in public like that, so I gotta get used to it. But I got a little something, not too bad, nothing too crazy. But yeah, so I'll see you guys back at the house. Okay, so we are back at the crib, and I'm gonna show y'all what we got, because we didn't need a lot of stuff. It was just some little last minute things. This was the cake that I was telling you about. It is the Italian cream cheese cake, and it's a slice of 2. My mom gets one and I get one. We got a bottle of ketchup, some vegetarian bush baked beans, a mini thing of Best Foods real mayonnaise, and then the last thing we got was just some almond milk, because we have a whole bunch of cereal that we need to eat up, because we just have a lot of cereal and we're trying to eat it up. So we got some almond milk. And yeah, so next what I'm about to do is, now that we got the groceries, I'm gonna put this stuff away, that whole night, and then I'm gonna get started on washing laundry. So once I get the load together, get the detergent, all that stuff put together, we're gonna head over to the laundromat. It's not in our house, but it is. We have a laundromat in our complex, so we're gonna go over there and get the load ready, wash that stuff, set a timer, come back. While that timer is going for the clothes, then that's gonna give us time to clean up in here. And the washing normally takes about 45-ish minutes, so that should give us time to do a lot of things, because these glasses right here, this little glass right here with the spoon in it, these are clean. I was gonna make some tea, but we didn't have any water. So yeah, so that's what that's about. But yeah, so I'm about to put the stuff away, get the load ready, and then I'll meet you guys after lunch.
Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Join me out of my mind.
Yo, it is literally so loud in here. I hope you guys can hear me. It smells so good in here. This is what I love about. You see that back right here? It has a whole bunch of like kids' clothes. My nephew, he's not old enough, he's not big enough to wear like the full t-shirts. Just he can wear shirts, but those are definitely way too big for him. I was gonna get him and throw them in with my load, Because every single time I come here, there's always some clothes in here. Whether it's for kids, whether it's my size or my mom's size. Every time I come here to do laundry, I check first. If it's something that I can see that we can end up using or it's valuable, I throw it in with my load so it gets washed in one cycle. Because there's been times where I've washed clothes and I put it in the dryer, then I come back and I see clothes and I'm like, those are so cute, but I'm gonna have to throw it in a whole other load. So why would I do that first? You know what I mean? So, yeah, so we are just chilling. I'm a little nervous because somebody's washing clothes and I don't want them to come back just yet. But yeah, so that's what's going on. So here's the fit. We got the hair in a bun. We got the box braids. I did them myself. And then we have on a blue skirt with some Crocs. Don't look at my ankles, they're really ashy right now. And then we got our brown bag and our car keys. I'm gonna just take my basket and put it on top of my dryer, of my washer. And I take our products back because people like to steal. Let's talk about it, because one time they stole a whole load of towels, y'all. A whole entire load of towels. Took them clean out of our dryer. Just took them. So I make sure we take our products back, because I get it, but I don't, But anyway, so we are finna turn up. Maybe y'all better view my braids, because I really like them, y'all. I think I did a good job. This is the back. This is my little signature button or whatever. But today's been a really good day so far. It's 8 o'clock. Not on the dot, it's like 8 and some change, but it's 8 something. So I'm about to go back in the house. And I need to set my timer, so I'm about to do that right now once I get off this little vlog with y'all. And I'll meet y'all back at the crib. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just going through and checking off the things that I've done so far. And when you look at it at a glance, I only did 2 things. But I'm about to get started on doing the living room. The clothes are in the wash currently, and we have about 30-ish minutes left. So I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can while the timer's going, and then I will talk to y'all later. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so sorry for the abrupt ending. I had pulled an all-nighter that night. I finished majority of my chores. There were like a couple little last-minute things that could have waited. It wasn't like mandatory, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. And now that I'm a little more well rested, I can get some more content out for you guys. But anyways, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what videos you guys would like to see next. Love you guys. Bye.